Ever wondered why keyword research is crucial in digital marketing? It's not just a technical jargon thrown around by marketers. It's the foundation of any successful online strategy. Let's dive into this compelling topic. Keyword research is like the compass of your digital journey, guiding you towards understanding the market demand. Imagine you're the captain of a ship, sailing in the vast ocean of the internet. Without a compass, you would be lost, right? That's what keyword research does. It helps you navigate, showing you where the demand is high and where it's not. It's also like a window into understanding user intent. When someone types in a search query, they're telling you precisely what they're looking for. By analyzing these queries, you can understand what your audience wants, their pain points, and their desires. And when you understand their intent, you can tailor your content to meet their needs, making your marketing efforts more effective. But wait, there's more. Keyword research is also your secret weapon to outshine your competition. It's like having a reconnaissance team, providing you with valuable intelligence on your competitors. By understanding what keywords they're ranking for, you can strategize to rank higher and win the battle of the SERPs, search engine results pages. Moreover, keyword research is the backbone of your content strategy and SEO optimization. It's like the seeds from which your content grows. By using the right keywords, you can ensure that your content reaches the right audience, increases visibility, and drives traffic to your website. It's a way to make sure that your message doesn't get lost in the internet's vast wilderness. So there you have it. Keyword research is not just about finding words and phrases to include in your content. It's about understanding the landscape of demand, deciphering user intent, outsmarting competition, and driving your content strategy and SEO optimization. Ultimately, it's about understanding your audience better. That's the true power of keyword research. So keyword research isn't just about SEO, it's about understanding your audience better. Before you start researching keywords, you need to define your goals. Now, you might ask, why is this important? Picture this. You're embarking on a journey, but you have no destination in mind. You're likely to wind up somewhere you didn't intend to be. The same principle applies to keyword research. Setting clear, measurable goals acts as your roadmap, guiding you through the landscape of keyword research. It's like knowing your destination before you set out on your journey. These goals could range from increasing site traffic, boosting sales, improving search engine rankings, or enhancing brand visibility. The beauty of defining your goals is that it gives your efforts direction and purpose. It helps you decide which keywords are worth pursuing and which ones aren't. It also helps you measure the effectiveness of your efforts. Remember, without clear goals, your keyword research might not lead you where you want to go. Once you have your goals in place, the next step is to identify your niche topics. These are specific areas within your business or industry that you want to target. Think of them as your unique selling points, where you can offer something that sets you apart from the competition. To identify your niche topics, start by considering your products or services. What do you offer that no one else does? Perhaps you specialize in vegan skincare products, or maybe you offer bespoke marketing solutions for small businesses. Whatever it is, jot it down. Next, think about your audience. What are they interested in? What problems are they trying to solve? The answers to these questions will provide you with additional niche topics. Once you've identified your niche topics, you can start to generate potential keywords. These keywords will be the basis of your SEO strategy, helping you to attract the right audience to your website. Identifying your niche topics will give you a starting point for your keyword research. With your niche topics in hand, now it's time to find related keywords. Identifying related keywords is like uncovering hidden gems that can enhance the visibility of your website and attract more potential customers. But how exactly do we find these valuable keywords? There are several methods and tools available, and we'll delve into a few of them now. One of the simplest ways to find related keywords is by using search engines themselves. For instance, if you type a keyword into Google, you'll notice a "People also ask" section and "Searches related to" at the bottom of the page. These are excellent starting points to find related keywords and potential content ideas. Now let's talk about keyword tools. These are a goldmine when it comes to finding related keywords. Tools like Google, Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs can provide a wealth of information. They not only suggest related keywords, but also give insights into search volume, competition level, and even cost per click for paid search campaigns. So, you've got your keywords. Now what? It's time to map out content ideas. Each keyword can spark a new topic for a blog post, a video, or a social media update. For example, if one of your related keywords is organic skincare tips, you could create a blog post titled Top 10 Organic Skincare Tips for a Radiant Complexion. Remember, the goal is not to stuff your content with keywords, but to use them strategically to enhance your content's relevance and visibility. It's about creating a natural flow that incorporates these keywords, making your content not only SEO friendly, but also engaging for your audience. Also, keep in mind that keyword research is not a one-time task. Trends change, and so do search patterns. Regularly updating your keyword list will ensure you stay on top of these changes and remain relevant to your audience. In conclusion, finding related keywords is an essential step in keyword research. It opens up a vast array of possibilities for content creation and helps you reach more potential customers. Finding related keywords will help you expand your reach and attract more potential customers. Once you've found potential keywords, the next step is to analyze the competition. This step is about understanding who your competitors are, what they're doing, and how you can leverage this information to your advantage. Competition analysis isn't just about identifying your rivals. It's about delving into their strategies to find out what works for them and what doesn't. If you can understand their strengths and weaknesses, you can tailor your approach to outsmart them. Now, how do we go about analyzing the competition? First, take your list of potential keywords and input them into a keyword analysis tool. These tools can give you a list of websites that rank highly for those keywords. These websites are your competitors. Next, take a closer look at these websites. What kind of content are they producing? What keywords are they using? Are they using long-tail keywords or short-tail ones? Are they targeting the same audience as you? All these questions can give you insights into their strategy. It's also important to look at their backlink profile. A website with a lot of high-quality backlinks is a tough competitor, as these backlinks can boost their search engine rankings. On the other hand, if their backlinks are low quality, you might have an opportunity to overtake them by building a stronger backlink profile. Additionally, pay attention to their social media presence. A strong social media presence can indicate a successful content strategy, as it means they're effectively engaging their audience. Lastly, look at their user experience. Is their website easy to navigate? Is it mobile-friendly? A superior user experience can lead to higher engagement rates, which can boost search engine rankings. Remember, the goal isn't to copy your competitors, it's to learn from them. By understanding their strategies, you can find opportunities to differentiate yourself and create a unique value proposition. Analyzing the competition is a crucial step in keyword research that can give you a competitive edge. It's not just about knowing who you're up against, it's about using this knowledge to shape your own strategy and come out on top. So, what have we learned about keyword research? In this digital age, the importance of keyword research cannot be overstated. It's the compass guiding your digital marketing efforts, steering you towards the right audience, and ensuring your content is not just seen, but seen by the right people. It's more than just a task on your to-do list. It's a crucial step in understanding and connecting with your target audience. We've walked through the steps of conducting effective keyword research. Step 1. Defining your goals. This is where you set out your intentions. Are you aiming for brand awareness, lead generation, or perhaps e-commerce sales? Your goals will shape your keyword strategy and guide you in selecting the most relevant keywords. Step 2. Identifying your niche topics. This is about understanding your unique selling proposition and the specific topics that resonate with your audience. These topics are goldmines for keyword research, helping you discover the specific terms your audience uses when they're searching for your products or services. Step 3. Finding related keywords. Once you've identified your niche topics, it's time to expand your keyword list. Related keywords are those that are semantically linked to your primary keywords. They are important for creating a comprehensive keyword strategy and improving your search engine visibility. And finally, step 4, analyzing the competition. This step involves studying your competitors to understand what keywords they're targeting. This insight can help you identify gaps in their strategy where you can gain a competitive advantage. All these steps culminate in a robust keyword strategy that not only improves your search engine visibility, but also enhances your understanding of your target audience. This understanding allows you to create content that resonates with your audience, driving engagement and ultimately, conversions. Remember, effective keyword research is the foundation of successful digital marketing, so take the time to do it right. And when you do, you'll find that the benefits are well worth the investment. From improved SEO rankings to increased website traffic and enhanced customer engagement, the power of keyword research is truly transformative.